Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to get approved for this $10,000 credit card with bad credit. Guys, stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q and I created the first cloud-based software that allows you guys to put your credit repair experience into your own hands, guys. Guys, in today's video, I am super excited because I have a banger, guys. Guys, I'm going to teach you how to potentially get approved for a $10,000 credit card without having perfect credit, guys. You know, in this industry, the larger the line of credit that you have established, the more credibility the other institutions will be when it comes to approving you for the other larger lines of credit, guys. So let's get straight into the meat and potatoes, guys. Guys, I want to talk to you guys about the company named Petal. Petal is a new fintech company that's basically going against the grain, so to speak, when it comes to the credibility needed for the approval process for those credit cards, guys. It is a entry-level credit card and they tend to be tailoring their process more towards the Gen X and the millennial group set. I don't know why that is, but I like the idea of how they actually are going about their business model. They are something similar to grain, if you ask me, because they are basically taking not only your personal credit history but also your banking history for determining if you're going to be pre-approved. So basically the card is for entry levels. The card does have availability for perks and I'm going to teach you guys all about it, guys. So right now I'm going to dive straight over to my desktop and we'll talk more about it, guys. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to go come over to the website and give you guys a vivid description on the full rundown on how the whole thing is ran down, right? So this is what the cards looks like. I'm not really a fan of what the cards look like. It looks like a bus pass if you ask me, but this is what the cards looks like. So they basically have two different tiers of cards. They have the Petal 1 and then they have the Petal 2, and I'm going to dive in on both individual cards. So let's talk about the Petal 1 individually first. So the Petal 1 basically has a $500 minimum credit limit up to $5,000. The Petal 2 have the $10,000 one, but the Petal 1 is more for the entry level or the more lower level credit scores applicants. They have no annual fees, no international fees. The APR is high. The APR is 19.99% to 30%, and you do have an option to get cash back on select merchants like Old Navy, Casper, etc. You have to look that up. Now, getting approved for the card is kind of fairly easy, to be honest with you. Some of my clients have got approvals in the 540 range and up. So if you have around a 550 and up, then you should be pretty qualified, but it really just depends also on your banking history, right? So like I said, this card does not only have a deciding factor on your past credit history, they also take into account your banking history also, right? You cannot have any bankruptcies in the last 48 months, I believe, and you do not honestly get a hard inquiry when you initially apply for the pre-approval, whether you can get approved for the cards, right? So that's great. So it let you know prior to you actually going to the approval process, right? Now let's talk about the Petal 2. Now the Petal 2 has a lot better perks, so to speak. They do give you cash back on 1 to 1.5% on all offers. The minimum acceptance is $500 to $10,000, guys. The APR on this one is 12.99% to 27%, guys, and there is no fees, absolutely no fees at all, right? There is no transaction fees, no late fees, no hard inquiries at all, guys. You do want to make sure that you have at least 3 months of active prior credit accounts, meaning so they tend to at least want to see, like I said, 90 days of active credit history with another creditor or merchant, right? Guys, if you're finding any of this information helpful, guys, please do me a favor to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. It allows us to go to a wider audience and to keep producing this content, guys. If you are interested in this company, guys, I do want to give a caveat, so to speak. This company is kind of new. Now the reviews on the company, if I want to give my honest intake, is pretty shady. They have completely taken away all of the Better Business Bureau content away from the Better Business site, and the reviews is kind of not on the good side, you know, if I want to give you guys a heads up. But that is, you know, the perks of, you know, starting a new company and, you know, having a startup. You know, they have a lot of things they need to figure out, but for the most part, they do report to all 3 bureaus, and I think it's a good option. I think it's a good option depending on your particular situation and what you're trying to do. If you're trying to get into the game when it comes to larger lines, and if you're trying to get your foot in the door when it comes to credit building, this is an option for you guys. Guys, if you found any of this information helpful, guys, leave a comment on whether you have thought about the process of Petal before, or if you're interested in going into Petal, and if you have any questions, guys, until next time, take care of yourself and take care of your credit.